You may have come across a online store that has very nice layout, and you also wanted to have the same design theme for your online store, but you're not sure how you can do that. Hi, my name is Adnan, and in this video I'm going to share with you the step-by-step process of changing the design theme on your online store. So without taking any more of your valuable time, let's move ahead. Let's understand the process. As the first step, you have to open the seller panel of your online store. Once you have opened the seller panel, then in the left navigation, and this is the left navigation where you have all the menu item, and here you have to click on My Store. Let me highlight that for your reference. This is My Store. We'll click on it, and then it will expand, and you'll see there's an option called Themes. You have to click on that, which will take you to the theme management section or design theme management section. This is where you'll see different design themes that you have already applied. In case you haven't applied, then this particular section will be empty. And here you have different design theme options that are available. So you can go through them. This is where you can even load more and you can see more options. Now, once you have decided that this is the design theme I would want to use, so for example, let's choose the suit theme or the suit store. So we'll click on it, click on get, and it will start appearing here. This is where you can see suit store, and we have to click on apply. This is the most important step, and I've seen many people miss out on that. So once they have clicked on get, they think that the theme is applied. No, it is not applied until you have come here and clicked on apply, and then the page will reload, and this is where you can see that suit store theme is applied. So this is how you are going to change the design theme. But the point you should keep in mind that it takes some time for the design theme change to get implemented, so it will not be immediate. But how will you go and check that the theme is applied or not? So that's where you have the store preview. You can click on it, it will take you to the store preview. That's where you can see whether the theme is applied or not, or the previous theme that you had been using is still appearing. So typically it will take somewhere around an hour for the theme to get applied, but you can any which ways click on the store preview and go to the store preview and check whether the theme or the new theme is applied or not. So this is how you are going to change the design theme of your online store. I hope you found the tutorial video informative. If you still have any questions, or if you have a doubt, or if you're stuck somewhere, please do feel free to reach out to our help desk. The contact details of our help desk are mentioned in the description of this video for your reference. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.